Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix an Epic Games two-factor authentication problem. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you are not receiving email codes. If you're not receiving email codes, the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and head to more and then check your spam, because sometimes what happens is the mails are sent into your spam. The other thing you want to do is add Epic Games to your email safe sender or whitelist. So codes can take a few minutes to arrive. So do not spam the resend button, as this can delay delivery. If that is not the case and your Authenticator app is not working, it could be because of your device time. Make sure that it is on automatic. And if it is your phone code that is having problem, then you might need to simply go ahead and ensure your phone number and country code are entered correctly. If none of it works, then you might have no other options but to try to uninstall and reinstall Epic Games and then try it again. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.